Now the reason why we want to make this video is that we got this toilet, which is a one piece, and the water supply is very different from what the instruction provided by the manufacturer. So we make this video to show how to get this done. Let's hope it works. First, we need to shut down the water supply and then flush the toilet until all the water is gone. Now that we see that there's no more water, all right, safe side, we put a container here just to make sure that the water doesn't go all over the place. Then we flip this up and to unscrew the existing toilet. You see, these toilet seats are a little different because there's no screw at the bottom. So you're going to only work on this part. So after the screw are removed, you can just take the toilet seat away. There we go. Next thing we do is to unscrew the water supply from the wall. Takes a little while. And that's why the bucket is here. Oh,
There.
no water coming out. Good. Then we put the connector that comes on the male. Let's see a connector. There we go. This one doesn't come with the package. And then we screw it onto the wall. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look like with that connector installed, while the toilet has no connection. Insert the tube into the, oh, make sure the washer, is that how to call it? Mm-hmm. Make sure the washer is in here.
The O-ring.
The O-ring. Yeah. There we go. Now, here's the fun part. Here, we need to put this base. Okay, make sure that this not flat part is on top and this curve is closer to the water tank. And then you put this two black plastic holder on top, and you use, well, we bought this, we just take out the screw, the existing screw, and this,
The washer.
and then we just use it like this. Okay, don't make it too tight because you need to move this part of the device up and down so that it will leave. Make it too tight. Okay, you will leave 1.5 inch over here. This is not 1.5 inch yet. So that's about 1.5 inch. You see, this is a KOHLER toilet seat that doesn't have that screw at the bottom. So make sure that it's in line. We are in the center. So in order to be in the center, you probably need a little bit of a measurement. Okay, once you know it is in the center, you can kind of tighten it. Now, we have a couple of tries And realize that this position is very important, because after you put in the toilet seat, before you hear that click sound, you go and check if this is in line. Otherwise, you know, if your toilet seat is too much outside or too much inside, then it would work, right? So this seems to be a good position. So we're gonna push it and here until it clicks. See, it clicks. So that's it. We can't adjust it anymore. And the next thing we need to do is to connect the water supply right here. And of course, after that, we will connect to the battery. Let's do the make sure the ring is inside that bolt. Remote. Put the battery in. Now of course we turn the water back on so you can hear the water tank is filling. And I will leave the testing part private. Ta-da!